This is the first time I'm cutting hair for my 12-year-old son as a YouTuber on my channel. He is really looking forward to this haircut and I'm highly excited about cutting my son's hair. Now this is a diagonal shape guideline. Looking from the angle is not a straight line. And the reason I created this shape was to drop the fade slightly on the back. Guys, I want to make this haircut so easy for you guys so you can follow along in your next haircut. After finishing the first guideline, I'm opening the lever and I'm going about 2 fingers width above the first guideline. Just to remind you guys, this tutorial is coming to you from Nigeria, where I'm spending some time with my wife and children. Guys, I'm really enjoying this holiday with my family. Actually, my son has a tangled hair texture, so I'm brushing down to ensure the process is smooth. Here, I move the lever halfway. I'm starting below the line and flicking upward into the fade. Now I close the lever. I'm basically hitting at the line with precision to soften it. Here I come back with the trimmer to completely remove the trimmer line I set earlier. Here is the one guard. The lever is fully closed. I'm going up about a finger's width. Here I'm flicking out from where the side connects to the top. Here is another technique you should also learn how to use when doing a high fade. I'm brushing down to straighten the hair as much as possible. I go in with a half guard halfway close. As you can see, I'm flicking halfway through from the guideline. I recommend that you brush the hair regularly to see clearly on the fade. This is another technique I highly recommend. I'm ramming down from the top. This allows the hair to stretch properly. I go in with no guard. Basically, I'm flicking around the separation line. Here, I'm using the tip and the full blade to ensure a clean blend. With a one guard, the lever is fully open. Here, I'm blending the fade into the top. Here I continue with the one guard. The lever is fully closed. I'm going with the grain. Here testing out my son's hair texture. I have taken out the guard and I'm going with the grain. I'm leveling my son's hair to the desired length. Now, because of the work we have done so far, look at how easy it looks to fade into the top from the side using the half guard. I'm also playing with the lever to achieve this result. When it comes to the lineup for your kids, I recommend that you brush the hairline first. Use a hand brush. Always start from where the hair gets shorter on the side to avoid pushing back your client. Here, I'm adding a color enhancement on my son's hairline. to make this haircut stand out. Guys, if you want to learn how to make your own color enhancement dye, I have a complete tutorial on how to make a DIY color enhancement dye for barbers. The link is in the description. Guys, if my son's haircut was helpful to you in any shape or form, kindly subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends that want to improve their barbering skills. Please let us know what to think in the comments below, or if you have any questions, send us an email at classicbarberacademy@gmail.com. Guys, enjoy the rest of the video. I will see you in the next one.